My name is Ren Critchlow. I'm an orthopedic trauma surgeon, and we're here at OrthoIndy in Indianapolis. Before Saykara, I had a lot of difficulty. We had a combination of both dictation and point-and-click EMR.
Worst part of our job is trying to keep up with the documentation, and it's just unbelievably time-consuming. You spend more time sitting in front of the computer than with the patient.
Interaction of me with the computer documenting what you're telling me as a patient was one of those things that this computer was now interfering with that interaction.
Our dictation system forced you to be tied to a laptop or a physical phone, and so there was no portability to it.
You know, for us as physicians, the anxiety was not seeing patients. We love seeing patients, we love solving their problems. The problem is the anxiety of the note, the anxiety of the documentation. With Kara, the nice thing is it's one click. It's basically a click with the iPhone. Where technology was lagging behind the documentation of the note, technology's finally caught up. I've gone hands-free. When I come in to see a patient, I can talk to him, and then we can either dictate afterwards in the recap mode, or we can do it in the ambient setting while the patient's there, and it's all done. I just walk out of the room and we're pretty much finished with documenting that note. Basically saves me 2.5 hours a night.
The one thing that I love about the app and the way that it works is the portability.
You know, medicine just becomes more administrative work, so anything that can cut that time down is worth it. Less stress knowing that if I have a full clinic that I'm going to be behind. And even if I am behind, I can catch up so much quicker with the app, and so it just allows me obviously more time at home. I don't know what to do when I go home now because I don't have work to catch up on, so it's great. It's been a huge help. We're
much more relaxed in the office. Like there's no pressure. Like there's no anxiety of finishing off that note. The bane of clinic for me was documenting and doing the sort of the EMR system. It's truly enjoyable going to clinic.
When you look at the note and you go back to the note, all of the information is right where it should be. All those things add up to a product that is really helping me be more effective and efficient and communicate both with myself and later on and other providers.